Good morning, friends. Put a tick if the sentence is correct, put a cross if it is incorrect. This is the subject of exercise that I gave you yesterday. Rohan's sisters. So, how many sisters are involved? More than one, definitely. Likes, it will be wrong. So, you'll put a cross over here. Okay? The first sentence has a cross because it should have been like. Because sisters is more than one, so the verb also will be plural. Ravi and Ram has a cow? No, definitely not. It's wrong. Have a cow. The cow's horns have a bell. Absolutely correct. Put a tick in the third sentence. Julius have a wife? No. Has. Julius is one, wife is one, so has. I have two dogs that have a tail among them. Now I have two dogs that have this, that is a relative pronoun which is referring to the dogs. So I have two dogs that have a tail among them. No, there is not a single tail between them. First of all, if it is between two people, it should be between, and it cannot be one tail between both of them. So it's wrong. My brother and friend is a good narrator. Yes, the same person. He's my brother as well as my friend. So he's a good narrator. This is absolutely correct. Here comes my friend, classmate, and neighbor. Here comes my friend. Absolutely fine. And this friend is also a classmate. He's also a neighbor. So this sentence also is correct. The opening batsman and skipper behaves gently with me. Yes, the same person who's the opening batsman and skipper, he's one person, single person, so he behaves absolutely fine. My father and head of our family provide for all of us. No, my father and head of our family, he's the same person. Provides has to be a singular verb. Singular verb, remember, takes an s in the end. Rice and curry are the staple diets of every Indian family. Wrong. Rice and curry is the staple diet, not diets, diet of every Indian family. Is and diet. Alright, so the team is or are disagreeing on the matter. Now, when there is a disagreement, we are referring to the members of the team. So it has to be a plural verb. Are disagreeing on the matter. Otherwise, for team, you can use both is and are in British English. However, with the Australians and the Americans, they only permit is. But nevertheless, here what is happening is the team, that is the members of the team, are fighting. Right? So the team are disagreeing on the matter. The Bahamas is a beautiful place, not are a beautiful place. Right? Because although the Bahamas consists of a group of islands, so the Bahamas is a group of islands, is a beautiful place to live in. Fowler's is an excellent source of knowledge. Obviously, Fowler's is the name of a modern English usage book, reference book. Johnson's and Johnson's, name of a company. So, sells with an S. Sells powder. Alright. Let's turn the page now. Higginbotham's. Higginbotham's is worth visiting, not are. Higginbotham's is the name of a shop, is worth visiting. Okay? Wren and Martin is the name of a book, is worth reading. Is worth reading. Alright? The jury is united on this, because although I am referring to the members again, but I am here referring about something on which they are united, so I can say the body, the jury, is united on this. Jury is a body of eminent members of the citizenry who gather together or who are given the task of deciding on an important matter. On one of the girls is absent. So one of many girls is absent. Here the verb agrees with one. She is one of those teachers who like or likes books. She is one of those teachers who like or likes books. Now this who is not referring to she, right? It's referring to teachers. Teachers who like books. Who like books, not likes. Who like books. My family live or lives in a big house. Now this is a tricky one. My family. If you are referring to the members of the family, you can say my family live in a big house, right? Otherwise, you can say my family lives in a big house as a single unit, right? But I would actually, if you look at it, you would want to prefer my family live in a big house because you are referring to the members of the family, right? But anyways, both of them can be correct depending upon the context. So if you have marked this or this, but you should know the difference. So my family live in a big house, members of my family lives in a big house as a unit. Do you has or have a pencil? Do you have a pencil? You have. Jassi do not have a raincoat. So Jassi is one singular person, does not have a raincoat. Do or does Ram often visit the library? So Ram is singular. Does Ram often visit the library? The Seven Bells sell or sells pizza. The Seven Bells is the name of a restaurant probably. So it sells pizza. Sells pizza. Right? This one, sells. Has or have Parth completed his work? Parth is one single person. So has Parth completed his work? So I hope you are enjoying these classes on subject verb agreement. So wait for the next video. Thank you very much.